Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can make money by using the Facebook Viewpoint app. So in this tutorial we're going to explain thoroughly what the Facebook Viewpoint app is and how you can earn money from it. The Facebook Viewpoint's points and rewards. You can earn points for every program or task or survey you successfully complete. Every time you reach 1,000 points, Facebook Viewpoint will send you a reward worth $3 directly to the payment account. 1,000 Facebook Viewpoints equals $3. To redeem Facebook Viewpoints, you're going to go into the rewards section from bottom and you need to have at least 1,000 points to claim your rewards. After completing tasks and survey from program tab, you are able to earn points. After reaching 1,000 points, you can get $3. And this is someone doing a lot of surveys and making quite a bit of money. Go to the account option and tap on payment settings. It will show you the Facebook Viewpoints perks. It will redirect you to Facebook Rewards website where you can withdraw your Facebook Viewpoints as gift vouchers. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.